Why do kangaroos have a pouch? Why do deer taste salty? How big is infinity? Do you also come across these questions? So let's challenge your curious minds and answer these 30 questions in just 30 minutes and get a chance to win exciting prizes. The first prize is whooping 5,000 plus platinum membership. The second prize is 2,500 plus gold membership. And the third prize is 1,000 plus silver membership. This thrilling contest will put your scientific knowledge to the test and reward you generously to your efforts. Here is how it works. First, subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date with all our exciting content. Second, share the contest with your friends and family so that they too can join in. And finally, attend the quiz in which you will watch 10 of our most engaging science curiosity videos to give answer to 30 simple questions. That's it. But what if I lose? No worries, because each and every participant will get a free course of their choice for 30 days validity. Isn't that amazing? So what are you waiting for? Participate in the contest by clicking on the link given in the description below.